Hello, second grade. You know, over the past 2 weeks, we've been working on a Google slideshow about penguins. This week will be a review week, so make sure you're caught up by finishing slides 1 through 12. Continue to watch this video to review weeks 1 and 2. On the home page, slide down for Technology. Click Technology. On the Online Tech page, slide down and pick Second Grade. Click Second Grade. Today's Google Classroom assignment is called Penguins. Over the next few weeks, we'll be investigating penguins. What do you know about penguins already? What do you want to know? Have you ever created a Google slideshow? Be sure to continue to watch this video. In the corner of your screen, click Your Work. Click Your Work to open up the Google Slides. This is a Google slideshow. Over the next few weeks, we'll be working through each one of these slides. Today, we'll work on slides 1 through 5. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the directions. It says, click to add the title, all about penguins. Can you click to add the title? Now type all about penguins. Nice job. Now, can you click the subtitle? Type your first name and your last name. Remember to hold down Shift to get a capital letter. To make yours different than your neighbors, click on the title once again. Go to the end to the S in penguins. This is called your I-beam. Click and hold and drag across. This is called highlighting. We highlight in order to change the text. Let me show you that again. To take the highlight off, click somewhere else on your screen. Go to one of your words. Tap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. This highlights everything in your text box. Now we want to change the font and the color of our writing. The font is called Arial. Arial is at the top of your toolbar. Here you have all of the different fonts that you can use for your slideshow. Pick something that looks nice. Go back up and click again. Make sure you can read your writing. Nice job. Can you find the capital A? This is the capital A. This changes the text color. Click. Find a color that would look nice with this opening slide. Click off to see what it looks like. To change it, make sure you highlight once again. 1, 2, 3 clicks. Go up to the capital A and change it once again. Can you change the font and color of your name? Click on it. 3 taps. Go to Arial and find a nice font. Then go to the capital A to change your color. Good job. Now let's go on to slide 2. Can you find slide 2? On the side of your screen are all of the slides. Click slide 2. This says all about penguins. What birds can swim but not fly? These amazing birds are penguins. Below these words is a picture. We want to delete the box to reveal the picture. Click on the words "Click to delete" to reveal the picture. Do you see the blue box? This is a text box, and we want to delete it. Go up and click on the blue box very carefully. Do you see your mouse? It looks like an up, down, left, and right compass arrow. Click it. Now find backspace on your keyboard. Type backspace. Nice job! We revealed the picture. Let's go over to the other side of the slide. It says, look like. Penguins have black backs and white bellies. Penguins spend a lot of time in the water. They are good swimmers. They use their flippers and webbed feet to swim up to 15 miles per hour. Their large eyes help them see underwater. Can you find the text box? Click on the words. Now, click on the blue box. Make sure you find the up, down, left, and right arrows, and click. Now type backspace. We revealed 2 pictures on this slide. Nice job. Let's go to slide 3. Slide 3 says penguins live between the equator and the South Pole. Penguins live in cold and warm places. Penguins live along the coast, on islands, and even on floating icebergs. What would be a good title for this paragraph? Click where it says to add a title. Can you type in live and eat? Remember, hold down Shift for a capital letter. Now, highlight the text. Remember to use your I-beam or do 3 taps. Go up to Arial and change your font. Can you change the color? That's the capital A. Nice job. Let's go to the other side of the slide. It says, penguins hunt for food in the water. They eat fish, squid, and krill. Penguins have a long, hooked beak to help them grab their food. Penguins have barbed tongues to help them swallow their food whole. What would be a good title for this slide? Click to add the title. Let's type in live and eat. Highlight the text. Then go up to Arial and change the font. Change the color as well. Remember, that's the capital A. The last thing that we want to do on slide 3 is to add a picture. We want to add a picture of a penguin. Let's go to the Insert menu. The Insert menu is at the top of the screen. We have the words File, Edit, View, and then Insert. Click on Insert. Then slide down to Image. Very carefully go over and down to search the web. Search the web has a magnifying glass before it. Can you find the magnifying glass? Click. This opens up a Google search bar on the side of our screen. Let's type in penguins. Can you find a picture? Go over into the list. Use 2 fingers to scroll down. Find a picture that you want to use and click on it. At the bottom, say Insert. This will now insert a picture onto our slide. We want to make it smaller. Do you see the boxes on each corner? These boxes are called handles. Put your mouse on the handle. Use your mouse and click and hold with one finger and drag in with the other. Make your picture small enough to fit into the slide. Now, click and hold on your picture. Move it over. We need to get rid of the box behind it. Click the box. Click the blue box and backspace. Move your picture over. Make sure it fits into the space. Nice job. Let's go to slide 4. Slide 4 says, while swimming, penguins must watch out for predators that eat them, like sharks, leopard seals, and killer whales. Large birds also hunt penguins' eggs and chicks. What would be a good title for this slide? Let's call it Predators. Click to add your text, then type Predators. Highlight the word. Change your font and color. On the other side of the slide, it says, penguins live in large groups called colonies. Many penguins hunt, swim, and nest together. They help each other hunt for food and protect each other from predators. Penguins gather together in huddles to keep warm. Let's add a title for this side of the slide. Click to add your title. Let's type in families. Highlight the word. Then change your font. And color. Can you add a picture here? Let's get rid of the box first. Click on it, then click on the blue bar. Then hit backspace. Let's add a picture. Remember where to go? It's under the Insert menu. Slide down to Image, and then go over and down to Search the Web. Let's find another picture of penguins. Click, then Insert. Resize the picture by pulling at the handles. Click and hold on the blue boxes on the corners. Click and hold on the picture and move it over into place. Nice job. Let's go to slide 5. Can you take notes and write a sentence about what a penguin looks like, where they live, and what they eat? We're going to use the text box tool. The text box tool looks like this. Can you find this tool on your toolbar? Click it. Then go over into the box under Look Like. Click and hold and drag with one finger and move with the other and make a box. What does a penguin look like? I know penguins have black and white bellies, so I'll type that sentence in. Can you think of another sentence? Once you type your sentence, highlight it or do 3 clicks on it. 1, 2, 3. Go to Font and change the font. Right next to the font is the size. Can you hit the plus sign to increase the font? Nice job. Can you change your color? Make another text box and write a sentence about where penguins live. Go to the text box tool. Click and hold and drag a box. Then type a sentence about where penguins live. I know that penguins live from the equator to the South Pole. Highlight. Change your font. Make it larger by hitting the plus sign. Then change your color. Last sentence. Make another text box. Click and hold and drag. I know that penguins eat squid, krill, and fish. Highlight your sentence. Change the font. Change the size. And change the color. Nice job. Today we worked on slides 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll continue next week on the next set of slides. Good job today, and I'll see you next week. On the home page, slide down for Technology. Click Technology. On the Online Tech page, slide down and pick Second Grade. Click Second Grade. Today's Google Classroom assignment says penguins. Over the next few weeks, we'll be investigating penguins. What do you know about penguins already? And what do you want to know? Have you ever created a Google slideshow? Be sure to continue to watch this video for part 2 of our penguins lesson. If you haven't done part 1, I've linked the video here. After I finish this video, I'll link part 2 to this video as well. But for right now, let's open up your work. Click Your Work. Last time we worked on slides 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're ready for slide 6. Find slide 6. Slide 6 looks like this. Do you know what a penguin can and cannot do? Sort the items below into the category. Can a penguin talk like humans? No. Click and hold and drag that over to what a penguin cannot do. Can a penguin eat a sandwich? No, I don't think so. They eat fish and krill. How about, can a penguin wear clothes? No, I don't think so. Each time, click and hold and drag it to the category. Can a penguin play a piano? No, I don't think so. Can a penguin play hide and seek? Probably not. But can a penguin be black and white? Yes. Can a penguin eat fish? Yes. Can a penguin dive in the water? Most certainly. Can a penguin march? Yes, they can. And can a penguin live on icy land? Yes, they do. Make sure you sort out all of those categories. Now go on to slide 7. Slide 7 says to read the labeled diagram. Make sure you read each part of this diagram. You'll need it for the next slide. Penguins have a barbed tongue that helps them grip slippery food. Penguins have a hooked beak that grabs the food. Penguins have a black and white belly. They have webbed feet with claws. They have a tail, and they have flipper wings for swimming. It says a penguin's body is camouflaged to protect it from its predators. The black color is hard to see from above, and the white belly looks like the sun's reflection from below. Now let's go on to slide 8. Can you label the penguin? Move the words to label the parts of the penguin. Click and hold and drag them to the right part. Then let go. You can actually pull the handles to make the labels bigger. Did you label all of the parts of the penguin? Are they in the right spots? It might be a little tricky, so double check. Let's go on to slide 9. Slide 9 are trading cards. You must study the penguin trading cards for the next part of the lesson. The trading cards talk about the chin strap, little blue, royal, African, Adelie, and king penguins. Can you tell the difference between each penguin? Make sure before you go on to slide 10. Find slide 10. On slide 10, you'll use the line tool to match each of the penguins. It says, after studying the trading cards, move the lines to match the penguins to its type. Do you know which type of penguins these are? I know this one is the little blue penguin. Go to the line tool. The line tool looks like this. Do you see it on your toolbar? Click on the down triangle. Choose Line. Click and hold on one dot, then drag to the other dot. Nice job. Do you know any other penguins? If not, go back to the trading cards. I know the African penguin has black feet. Do you see a penguin that has black feet? Use the line tool again. Click and hold and drag. Do you know any other penguins? Go back to the trading cards. The royal penguin has yellow feathers on its head. Go to the line tool. Click and hold and drag. Nice job. Make sure that you match each penguin. Use the line tool. Let's go to slide 11. Can you count and graph the penguins? How many little blue penguins do you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Click on the blue box. This time, you'll use the middle handle. Click and hold and drag up to 4. How many royal penguins are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Click the box. Go to the middle handle and click and drag 3. How many king penguins are there? 1, 2. Middle handle, then drag up. How about the Adelie penguin? 1, 2, 3. Can you find the chin strap penguins? How many? Last one, the African penguin. Click and hold on the middle handle and drag up. Did you count and graph all the penguins? Make sure, then go to slide 12. Here are more penguins. Can you count them and graph them? Remember, click on the box first, then drag the middle handle up to where it belongs. Slide 12 will be our last slide that we work on today. Please work on slides 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 slides today. Good luck, and I'll see you next time.